Plum Island traffic, bird dog 601 taking 28, departure Plum Island.
Pressure coming up. Clear front.
Clear.
I was always drawn to aviation. My father was a pilot in World War II. Growing up, I was a typical kid, had to buy every model, plastic airplanes hanging from my ceilings, bought all the books when I was growing up, but I never pursued it. That was one of those things I did not think it was available to me. You know, just a little simple family in the Midwest, didn't think my parents ever had the money to pay for flight lessons. Then you go to college, you pay for college. Then after college, you have to continue to pay for college. And then all of a sudden, you're 40 years old. But what happened to me is I was living in northern New Hampshire and I drove by a glider field. And I said, if not now, when? And I pulled off, and 2 months later I had my glider rating. And that got me started. And the reason I had this particular airplane is because they're used for towing gliders. I had no interest in flying power. I was a glider pilot, but we needed a tow plane in our little short grass strip. So I bought the bird dog so we could continue to fly out of a little short grass strip. And then I decided I should learn how to fly it. And the next thing you know, I've got over 1,000 hours in it and I just can't get enough.
Plum Island traffic, selecting left, left, down, left, away, Plum Island.
This is an L-19 bird dog, an old military airplane that was designed for observation and liaison in the late 40s and early 50s. To make a living, I'm an architect. I work for the home building industry, designing houses, and when I'm not doing that, I'm at the airport, either working and or flying my airplanes. It's a passion, and the reason I do what I do as a profession is to support my passion.